When I say I love you more, I don't just mean I love you more than you love me. I mean I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any fight we will ever have. I love you more than any distance between us. I love you more than any obstacle that could ever try to come between us. I love you the most.
Adrian and Lorena, today is a day of blessing, a day where dreams really do come true. You know, today is a day of new beginnings, a day of fresh starts, and we're gathered literally on the top of a mountain.
Promise to be worthy of your love, to be ever present when you need me, to comfort and love you in the morning and night, in every way, every day.
I promise to love you unconditionally, to cherish you, support you, and respect you as my husband. I promise to be faithful to you alone, to honor you, trust you, and take care of you.
We know that marriage is about creativity. It's about who you are becoming. And we know that it is created by the little things that are in fact the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It is choosing not to go to sleep angry. It is standing together and facing the world. It is speaking words of appreciation, affirmation, and demonstrating gratitude in the most creative and thoughtful ways. It is giving each other the atmosphere in which you may grow. It is seeing and searching for the beauty in one another and having the capacity to forgive. And it is seeking God first in all things.
I promise to not be so vague about this and that. I promise to show you the same inspiration that you have shown me and to encourage you the same way and to honor you by being the man that I see in your eyes today. Today will be the most exciting day of my life because I'll be looking forward to tomorrow with you.
Love of my life. I've become even more certain that God gives the best surprises because I could have never seen this coming. I'll never forget hearing your footsteps for the first time right before meeting you. Since that moment, you've continually made my heart beat faster.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
On this day, I marry my best friend, the one who shares my life, my love, and my dreams. I give you this ring as a reminder that I will love,
That I will honor, and that I will cherish you in all times, in all places, always and forever.
Therefore, what God has joined together on this mountaintop, let no one separate. It is my honor, by the power invested in me, to pronounce you husband and wife. Adrian, you may kiss your bride.
Meant to be